So we will talk on these candles, inverted hammer and shooting star. When they appear, how we identify the entry point, how we take the entry from the candle for the put option or the call option. So in this, these inverted hammer and inverted bullish bearish hammer and shooting star, that how we can use in the market, that how we can trade. So in the first scenario, look at, we are coming from the downtrend. Okay, we are coming from the downtrend. There was a support level, any. That support level may be a round number, maybe a previous past action support level. We found this type of candle on the support level. Okay, so this is the reversal pattern, bullish reversal pattern. Inverted hammer is a bullish reversal pattern, and we found on the support level. So this is a sign that the market can be changed the direction from this level. But there are some criteria. There are some other concepts. If all the concepts are meeting, then we can understand, then we can say the market will change the next direction, new direction. The criteria are, if this candle 50% level is above the last candle and there is no price action ever in the past, and this last candle, the 50% level is above and there is a gap, this is the sign the next candle will goes up. And if there is no any support or resistance level on the closing price in the past, so the next candlestick goes up. But if you find the support resistance level on the closing price in the past, it means there is a round number, maybe there is a any color change level, maybe any color level in the past, in the 5, 50 to 10 candles, are in the only, just we look at the chart, we don't go in the past, but in the chart, if we find any type of market here, the support level or resistance level, and this candle is right close on the support resistance level, the next candlestick will goes down. But if there is no any support resistance level, the next candlestick will goes up, look like that. Okay, so if you find you are coming from the downtrend and you find this candle, red candle at the end, and there is no price action in the past, and you found a green hammer and close on the 50% level, okay, look like that. This candle is medium candle, and this candle right close on the 50% level, the next candlestick will goes down, because the 50% level, we get that this is the resistance line for this inverted hammer. But if you find this type of candle and this candle, the 50% level is below, but it means the closing price is below from the 50% level. So now this is a chance to go up. But here, this candle is right close on the 50% level. So if there is no chance to go up, it will goes down. So if it will goes down, so we can say this is a continuation pattern of the trend. And if this candlestick goes up, so we can say this is the reversal pattern. So it means when the pattern is working, we can say this is the reversal pattern. And when the reversal pattern is not working, then we can say the continuation and the pullback. Continuation and the pullback. Continuation of the trend and pullback. It means when the trend is coming from this direction, once it pull, the buyers pull the price up and again seller back the price down. So this is the word meaning of the pullback. When the buyers pull the price up, there is a color change, it means 100% confirm that there is a support level. So on the support level, buyers pull the price up and again seller back the price down. So the pullback meaning is there, that when reversal pattern appear, once buyers or sellers pull the price upside or in the downside, In this case, there is a downside. Okay, in this case, the price going up and the sellers pull the price down and again buyer push the price up. So we can say this is the pullback area, this is the pullback area. So this is now clear that this is the pullback area. And same, buyers pull the price up and sellers again push the price down. So this is the pullback area. So we can say this is the pullback. When the reversal pattern is not working in the middle of the trend, in the continuation of the trend, when the reversal pattern, which reversal pattern? If the trend is going down and this is the opposite reversal pattern, it means the bullish reversal pattern. When the trend is going up and this is the reversal pattern, it means the bearish reversal pattern not working. It means we can say this is the pullback.
Pullback, yes. Okay.
So now you understand what is the pullback.
It's a continuation. Yes,
so
yes.
Okay. So now you can say the continuation pattern. The continuation pattern creates a pullback area. So pullback is an area where the exchange of the assets is happening. It means in this area, the sellers sell the assets, buyer buy the assets. So in the pullback area, they make the transactions, they make exchanges of the assets. Some sellers sell the assets, some buyers purchase the asset again. The market will go up. We can say this is a pullback area and this is the continuation sign of the trend, where the trend is going upside. So now it's clear that what is pullback and how pullback is created and how we identify the pullback when the reversal pattern, the opposite reversal pattern. It means we are coming from the downtrend and this is the opposite reversal pattern of the downtrend. It means it's a bullish reversal pattern. And when the bullish reversal pattern is not working, this candle, the next candle after a bullish reversal pattern, it confirms that this reversal pattern is not working. At that time, we can say this is the pullback area. So now it's clear.
Okay, sir. And yes, it's clear. If I may ask one question, so a pullback will also reoccur because of the fact that there was an SNR level that did not allow that one, like you showed in the previous one.
You are right.
Okay.
You are right. If you find these two candles, but there is a support and resistance level on the closing price, okay? And the next candlestick is going down, down, down. So the pullback area can be of the two candles, that can be of the three candles. Okay, so it's all depend upon the resistance line in this scenario. The resistance line is where? If we find the resistance line here, so the next candlestick going from here. If the resistance line is here, the next candlestick going from this level. So maybe the three candlestick pullback, the two candlestick pullback, the one candlestick pullback. It's upon the resistance line of the key levels. Okay.
Okay, so
now here we understand.
And so,
yes.
Yes, sir. Sorry, just one more question.
No, okay.
It doesn't matter if the trend is a strong bullish momentum trend or a strong bearish momentum trend. Does it depend on that as well, or if it's a normal trend, is it also fine?
It's very, very, very important that we are in the trend, or the downtrend or in the uptrend. Okay, in the ranging market, sometimes we are following the pullbacks, because in the ranging market the pullbacks are not common, but in the uptrend or in the downtrend the pullbacks are very common. Okay, so the pullbacks only we found in the uptrend and the downtrend. Yes, there is a pullback in the ranging market, but the range must be these ranges must be bigger. Okay, the ranges must be bigger. So here we can find the pullback, 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 here also. If the ranges are very small, so the ranges of the two candles or three candles, then how we can find the pullback? Understand?
Yes, sir. So it won't work on that small ranging market.
Yes, the ranges must be, these swings must be larger. Okay, then we found the pattern. And or we find the trend market look like that. Trend market look like that. Then we found the pullbacks. So now here we clear that
Yes,
These
sir.
key levels, it means patterns are working with the key levels. Without key levels, these patterns are not working. And these patterns, if they stuck on the key levels, it means these patterns are not working. So the support and resistance are very important to trade the patterns. So it means now we must know about the support and resistance levels on when the patterns are appearing, where the patterns are appearing. So we must clear about the support and resistance. These are very important. Okay. In this case, in this case, this candlestick is going up. Okay, this is the sign. Maybe the market can reverse because buyers start from here, they goes up, but they are failed. Again, sellers start and they make a red candle, a strong red candle. This is a strong red candle. Most of the time, candlestick goes down, but sometimes market changes, market will goes up. So how we identify that the next candlestick will going up and the next candlestick is going down? When you see if there is a little bit wick, okay, the bearish inverted hammer is crossing the wick, it means there is a breakout happen. So breakout happen of these two same color candle on the wick. So the next candle will come, goes here, touch the level, then it will go down. So the breakout study we will follow here. If there is no any breakout, if there is no any wick on this candle and there is a round number, so we must wait. We don't blindly enter on this candle. We must wait when the price come, touch the key level, reject from the key level. It confirms that the next candlestick this candlestick is going down. Then we can place a put option here or here. Okay. But if you find that the next candle will goes up and there is no sign of the rejection, so don't trade this candle. You wait for the candle, and when this green candle is appearing here, I found as a candle, green candle. So the next new breakout is happen again. So the next candlestick will come, touch this key level and reject. Then we can trade a call option. Understand? So the
Yes, sir.
study
It makes
of the
sense. Yes.
study of the breakout is 50%. 50% when a breakout is happen, the 50% candlestick come, touch the key level and goes up. And 50% the candlestick make a retracement, and we can say the 50% next again the breakout level. So there is a 50% chances when the breakout is happening, we find the retracement candle. So there is a 50% chances. And the 50% chances for the when the candlestick break and come touch the key level and goes up. So now we understand all the concepts of the breakout. When this candlestick come and break again, and there is no sign of the rejection, so we leave this candle. We don't trade this candle blindly. When again a breakout happen, again we wait when the candlestick come, touch the key level and then reject from the key level, then we can place a call option or put option as per the setup. So when the breakouts are happening, on the levels, they create patterns. So what is this pattern? This is a dark cloud cover pattern. What is this pattern? There is the same color candles, there is no pattern. In this, there is no pattern. But in this case, look at the breakout was happened on this level. So this pattern is the bearish candle pattern. So now we follow the bearish candle pattern. Again, the next candlestick will come to touch this level and reject or make a retracement. Again goes down. So we follow these type of setups. So it's how we can identify these type of setup when we practice on the market. That where these type of patterns are forming and how we can identify this pattern, because when we practice on the patterns, we will identify that the next candlestick will going down or the next candlestick will goes up. So in the 1 or 2 identification, we say the practice is now complete. No, practice is not complete. Practice wants more than 15 to 20 samples. Then we can understand that time that yes, sometimes it's working look like that, sometimes it's working look like that. So there is a, if there is a this type of scenario, this type of condition, then this kind of thing, this breakout is working look like that. So this it means we find each and every condition in the market of the breakout. So here now we understand that when we find the level here and the level is very strong and there is a round number, if there is any past level, the color change level and the market goes up and again goes down from here, so the chances is that the market will goes up. So it's upon the trend and it's upon the market. In the rising market, most of the time this candle is going up. But in the downtrend, strong downtrend, sometimes we don't find this type of candle. So sometimes we found this type of breakout. So we must understand this. In the same candles, these candles, we are coming from the uptrend and we found the inverted hammer. We can say this is the shooting star also, but this is the green. Most of the traders are saying this is the inverted hammer, the sign of continuation in the trend. But if in the inverted hammer, if the closing price on the closing price there is a level, the next candlestick goes down, and the level is not, or the level is in the between, the next candlestick comes as the killer, then goes up. So the same thing. Here we found, here we found. Just a sign of continuation and a sign of reversal. In this scenario, there is a color change. So we can 100% confirm there is a resistance level and another resistance level is here. So we found the two resistance levels, the candlestick is rejecting from the two levels, so there is a chances to goes down. But if there is a 50% level of this candle or there is any round number or there is any past support or resistance level, the next candlestick will goes up. But if there is no any round number, there is no 50% level, there is no color change, the next candlestick will goes down.
So that's for sure, definitely. You don't have to hesitate even. Okay, sir.
But there is a level, so it means it proves in this four patterns trading, it proves that patterns are not working without support and resistance. So we only trade these patterns with the support and resistance. So the support and resistance are very important in the trading. So we cannot ignore these support and resistance. We always follow the support and resistance with the patterns. It means the pattern is 50% working, but the support and resistance is always 100% working. So the support and resistance have a big ratio, and the pattern have only a 50 to 55% ratio. There is no any pattern which is working 100%. Or which is working 90%, or which is working 70%. No, the patterns are working 55% to 50%. But if we get the help from the support and resistance, then we can understand the pattern closing points and pattern formations. Then we can make it a 90%. So what we learn here, we learn the pattern, we learn the key level, we learn the breakouts, we learn the condition, we learn the trend. In these all things, it means it's now make a clear sense that all the things are working together. There is no any one thing which is working alone. It means these all things when are working together, we can say this is the context of the chart. So what is the context of the chart? This is when all the things are working combinedly, we can say this is the context of the chart.
Okay, yes, sir. I understand. Okay, yeah, it's very, very important. I see what you
mean.
That
is the important thing when all the things, all the rules are working combinedly and getting support from each and other and getting rejection from each and other. So this all the practice of these all things, it makes that we are trading the context of the chart. In this context of the chart, what is saying? This context of the chart saying there is a resistance, there is a support, there is a pattern, there is a reversal, there is a retracement, there is a breakout. So these all things is making a context. It all things making a story. In other words, we can say context is a story. Context is the chart, and chart. This is the story of the chart. The chart story is talking with us, with communicating with us. That there is a resistance, there is a support, there is a pattern. If this pattern is not working, this pattern is working. This is the continuation sign, this is the reversal sign. So it means this market is talking with us, but we are unable to understand the market. So
Yes,
now we
exactly what you said.
understand that how market is talking with us. The market is communicating with us without any reason, without anything. Market is not changing their direction. So in this all the combined study of all the concept, it making a sense that we are reading the story and we are following the story and we are the role play of the story. So all the roles are playing their work, playing their actions in the market. So when we found this type of candle, it shows that the buyers are interested in this chart. The next candlestick is going up because there is no any support or resistance level. So if there is no support resistance is going up, here the candle closes on the support and resistance level. The next candlestick going down, making the engulfing candle. Engulfing candle is a sign that trend is going to again change because there are two attempts to changing the trend. So the next candlestick going down, 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 and again we find the continuation sign. It means there is a sign. So here we again find. Look at in this picture what I teach you. So look at this example. The same scenario, the same scenario, the breaking the level,
Yes,
breaking the level,
okay,
it
I see.
touching the level and going down. So the same
Ground
scenario.
number broke, yeah.
So this is the same thing. What I am teaching in the slides, it's the copy of the charts. So these all I made these illustration on my mind that if I found this type of condition, the market will behave like that because I understand the market communication, market language. So I make these type of illustration and these illustration are working in the chart. Same way. So now it means our mind is working. When we follow the market rules, when we destroy the rules, our mind will give us the bad signals, false signals. So the false signal make a loss. But our mind is working properly and it is matching with the market. So it mind will give us a accurate and profitable signals to trade here or not trade here. So now this picture is make a clear sense that our study on this picture is 100% accurate. So these all pictures I made, I illustrate from my mind that if I found this type of candle and there is a resistance line, the market will behave look like that. If there is a support level, the market will look like behave look like that. So these are illustration. When I practice and I get experience from the market, I draw this illustration on the chart to give you the understanding about the market. So this is the purpose of making these illustrations. So this illustration is going to show my mind that what is in my mind, what are the strategies in my mind, and these strategies are working in the market. So you can also make these type of illustrations, and that if you understand the rule, if you understand the breakout rule, it means now you can make the own your illustration from your mind that if I found this type of breakout, the market will behave look like that, maybe the market will behave look like that. So when you have an idea about your mind and then you before you illustrate all the things and then you come and test these things on the market will respect your ideas if the ideas is very accurate. So this is the thing how we are studying, how we are perceive the market, and this all the perception about the market. If the perception is our right, the market will be respect our perception. But if the because we are just we just perceive the market, we don't the market will respect our perception or not perception. So, but if the perception is right, the market will respect our thinking also. So that is all about this lesson. So now in this 3 to 4 lesson, I just make you to analyze the market. That market is moving with the concepts, moving with the rules. So now you are able to understand each and every pattern, able to understand each and every lesson what I will give you in the next sessions. So in these 3 to 4 classes, I make you because you said that, sir, I am a beginner. I want to study from the beginning, from the price line.
Yes, sir.
But in now 3 days,
Yes,
you
sir.
are able to understand the market theory. The market theory now you are understanding.
Yes,
It
sir.
means this is the change. It means if you are understanding the market give you signals that yes, you are going good. You again more study. I will give you help in the trading. It means market is now giving you the positive signals. So this was the beginning, our beginning. In the beginning, it means we understand the market, we understand the message from the market, we understand the basic rules of the breakout, of the support and resistance rules, about the patterns rules. And now the other study is very easy. It's very
Yes, it's
easy
going to
study.
make much more sense. That's true, sir. It's very true. And like you said, if you've got conditions you have to meet, and some of them do not, then it's rather safe to leave it than to continue with a thing you think it's going to work, but it's not going to work. So, yeah,
But
I see what you
now,
mean, sir.
now the change is happening in your mind because of understanding the right things. The change is happening in your mind. So now it means we are going in the right way. And now it's the expectation in your mind is increasing. They can, I can, I will be a profitable trader. So the expectation and the confidence is increasing. It means you are going in the right way. So this is
True, sir.
about the things. These are the minor things which I make your mind clear about these confusions, about the bad happenings in the life, that what you learn from others, what you learn from other videos. So what they people confuse you about the market, now your mind is now working with the right concept. So when slowly I will give you other concepts, so you will be a profitable trader. Every time when you trade, the market will respect your trade. So this, the change will come, no problem. I'm with you that I will make you a profitable trader in this market. If you follow all the rules like you are following in the past 3 to 4 days. So now our study from tomorrow is
True,
going to
sir.
in the speed. It means we are now recovering all the concept in the speed, in the fast way, because all the basic lines are covered in this understanding. In this lessons, I understand you that now you are getting the points. So
Yes. Finally,
yes,
I'm getting what you're saying, sir. It's true.
yes, because slowly,
I
sometimes,
couldn't in the
yeah.
beginning because, yeah.
Yes, this that was the psychology of the students. That how you can understand your student. That what is the mind psychology of your student? How they want the study from you? How they want the this uh, stuff or the study material? How they want from you? Some students just looking at the picture, they understand the things, and some students are confusing when looking the pictures. How I can trade? But it is a teacher responsibility that how get, they give them education about these things. So this is the way of the teaching, way of the understanding the mind, that how we can make a start. If our start is good, our end will be in the success. If our start is not good, it means in the end we will stop on that position where we start from the position. So it means zero. But now we are increasing our levels. So slowly, again, I will teach you the most profitable concepts about the
Yeah.
market. These concepts, slowly, we will learn. So now, the all things you will understand about the market. So this here, I understand you that now you are getting the concepts. Now I am happy from you that your mind is going with me in these sessions.
Yes, I'm getting it, sir.
So that was all
Yeah.
about
Thank
this
you for your
thing.
patience, sir. I do appreciate
Yes.
it because
So this is all about the lesson, and you will now go in the market and find out the hammers, inverted hammers, and the working. Look at it. What I say. This is the level here, and there is no level here. The next candlestick going down. What I teach you in this level. Look at there is if there is no level, the next candlestick will goes down, and there is no level, and level is below the next candlestick is going down. Look at it's working.
yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
It's working. If you find this candle, there is no level here. The next candlestick going down. It's working. So this all
So
about the
it will
market
respect the
understanding.
levels.
Yes, all respecting the
Yes.
levels. So look at this is what is this? I want to teach you here. If you find the resistance level above the candle, the next candlestick will goes down. Okay? If you find the resistance level here above the level, there is a round number, the next candlestick will goes down.
I see what you mean. Yeah. Okay.
And if you see
And
this
that's a
type
trend
of
continuation
yes,
pattern, isn't
yes.
it? Because it's a downtrend, sir.
If you find the breakout in this candle, what I show you in this candle, if you find the breakout of this candle, look like that. Wait for the candle when come, touch the level and reject from the level, then place a call option. If that crosses the level, don't place the call option. So look at here, what is happening here? When it come, it opens from the level. Look at if not open from this level on the closing price, it open gap down and this candlestick goes down. So the levels, how is
Yes.
working?
Okay. I see what you.
The levels
Sure.
are working. Look at again we found the level. What I say in this picture. In this picture, if you find, when I gave you example, if you find the level here, this level is of this weak level, the next candlestick goes down, okay? And in this scenario, what we
That's
are
correct.
seeing, look
Yes,
at
sir.
this candle is closing on this level, the next candlestick is going down. The same thing here. Just before when I teaching you that maybe there is a this level and this candlestick is taken from this level and the next candlestick will goes down. And what is happening here? Same scenario. This wick is working at the resistance level, the next candlestick going down. So now you understand all the concepts are in this book is accurate. All the concepts are accurate. If
Yes,
you
it's very accurate,
practice,
sir.
when you practice this concept, it will give you the chance, give you the. So look at it. When you find this type of candle, there is no support and resistance level on the closing price of this candle. The next candle goes down. What I teach you here. If there is no support and resistance on the level, the next candle goes down. There is no support and resistance, the next candle goes down.
Hmm. Sure.
So everything is working with the way. So there is a breakout happen of this candle, a breakout can happen, the next candlestick come. If they not respect the level, it will goes down. But there is a support level here again. So the next candlestick goes up. So all the things are working. Look at what is the hammer. There is no support and resistance level on the past. There no color change level. The next candlestick goes up. What is here? What I teach you in this candle. What I teach you in this candle. If the line is broken, the next candlestick goes up. What is in this? If the line is there is no line and it's broken, the next candlestick goes up. There is no support and resistance line in the upside. There is no in the past. The next candlestick going up, up. So all the concepts are working at proof. Look at it. This is a shooting star. There is no support and resistance level here. The next cluster going down. How I teach you here? No support and resistance, next cluster will goes down. No support and resistance, next cluster will goes down. Look at what is the thing. This is when there is no wick on the support on the candle. There is no wick. Look at the no wick. It means there is a support level or resistance level. This candlestick is right close on this level. The next candlestick goes down. What I teach you here.
Continuation, yes.
Continuation is continuation. And also there is a resistance level. But here this candlestick shows us before. If I say this is the level,
Yes,
look
yes,
at it's working here. Look at why this candlestick not going up from here? Because of the look at what is this?
The doji, yes, sir.
The doji support
Yeah,
and resistance. Upside rejection, rejection, next candlestick going down. So how we find? Look at what is this? The beautiful example. What I say in this level, what I say in this level, when you find this type of wick, and this wick is the price is closing on the wick, the next candlestick will goes down. And what is here? When the price wick is closing on the level and this is closing on the level, the next candlestick goes down. So I think it's clear today.
I see what you mean. It's basically you just need to practice it. Yeah, it's very clear, sir.
Practice
Sure.
to understand the thing. So it means what I give you in the chart in this slides, I prove all the things. So now it's your turn. Go for the practice and make yourself a perfect man in the trading. Okay?
Okay, sir. Because now something you just shared there as well that was very interesting to me. I thought it should be a longer trend than you were showing now. I see some of those are 3 to 4 up candles in an uptrend or downtrend, and then even if that pattern appears there, as long as it's respect those levels and everything, you can still go against the trend on a call or a put, depending on what the pattern tells you now.
Well, yes, that's the thing that you will understand about each and every key level, each and every pattern, and where the patterns are appearing on the support and resistance levels. These patterns will follow the support and resistance and work from the levels, and they give an action on these levels, and they're working on those are the levels. So it's clear today and about this. So now you are uh, able to practice on these patterns and go in the different charts and follow these patterns. If you find this type of pattern, look at this. There is no support and resistance, the next candlestick goes up. No support and resistance, next candlestick goes up.
Goes up. Nice.
So
Okay.
all the patterns are working. It means how many? These are the signals. These are the 16 signals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8, 16 signals of the trading. And I will give you the 42 signals in this ebook. There are 42 signals how to trade the market. So in the market, when you open the market, 42 signals from you finding from the 42 signals, it means every 5 minutes you will find the signal. So you have no need about the indicator. You have no need about any other strategy. You have a 42 ways. The people are asking from me, sir, only give me one way about the trading. Then one way we will search the one way and we will trade the one way. But I am giving you 42 ways about that trading in the simple this ebook in this course. But other 4 strategies, other breakout, other many other things also. It means if you combine all the things, it will make more than 80 opportunities in this course. It means when you go in the market and you are learning and you are trading the market, it means you have 80 opportunities to trade. So 80 opportunities is very huge opportunities, very big opportunities. It means
It's a lot of opportunities to make
yes,
money. True,
it
sir.
means you are finding the opportunities from this chart. Every second or third minute you will get the opportunity. Inshallah, we will make it possible. Everything we will make it possible, and all the things are possible. If I am trading profitably, it means my students and my followers will trade profitably. It's guaranteed. But the thing is that you follow the rules. These all the rules are not mine rules. These are the market rules. So market says, follow my rules, I am with you. If you don't follow my rules, I will destroy you.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the thing.
Yes.
Okay, brother.
That's true.
So the session is closed here, and tomorrow
Okay,
we will
so
again start the new session. Maybe this session I will publish in the public, and this session only, because there are many followers are asking me about the session. So sometimes I care about them, that they want the education. Most of the people are not affording the fees, and they say they'll only give us some explanation about the market. So I decided today maybe this session I will go publish to the members. They enjoy this free session further. Maybe they get the trading tips from this session. So today I will publish this session. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay,
Wonderful,
brother.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay, have a blessed evening, sir.
Okay, bless.
Thank you, sir.